Oh, you guys, we're here in the backyard right now, in the house. So it's very spacious. Our titas and titos is inside, even my parents, even my sister. There's a very big house, really big. It's very spacious as usual. You can see those cows I meant, is in there, having their own time, doing their own stuff, and yeah. So let's just go around. Yes. There's a golf. I don't know what it's called, but they usually play golf in here. So, cause very spacious, really spacious, really in the farm, more like in the countryside. Yeah.